In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add video to Shopify product pages. So what you're going to do first is, of course, click on products over here on the left side, open this, and you will be able to see your different products over here. Simply select the product that you would like to add a video on or create a new product entirely. Over here, you are able to add videos in either the media page over here, where you could demonstrate the appearance of your product or like a promotional video for your product. But you can also add videos under the description over here, which you will be able to play when you view your product. To be able to do this, simply click on this insert video option over here, and you will be able to see this pop up over here, which will ask you to insert a video by pasting the embedded snippet in the box below. If you don't know what an embedded snippet is, it's basically a code. So what you're going to do is, for example, you have a website, for example, in YouTube, or a website like this one in Pexel, where you can get royalty-free stock videos. And I would like to, let's say, have this play on my description, this video over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on share over here. Click on share. Copy this link. Do this on YouTube or any platform that would allow you to get the YouTube URL. Just simply copy the URL. Go to this platform called iframely.com. Paste the URL over here. Let me remove this video by. There we go. And simply click on refresh or start, and you will be able to see or get this code over here on the left side. And simply click on copy code. Go over here, paste the code over here in Shopify, insert video, and it will be inserted. Right now you can't see it, but if you click on save, let's add this one for now, product number 4. Click on save. And let's go back to our product options over here. You have our product number 4 over here. And let's preview it online store. There we go. And as you can see, you will be able to see this video over here. Then you could play it, as you can see here. And you could add any type of video that you want. You're not limited to this platform that I have used. You could use YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, basically any platform out there that offers any type of video. Simply get the URL, go to iframely.com, paste it over here, and you will be able to get a code for you to have. Then you can also change this. You could don't include the attached player. As you can see, it will change it over here, or you could attach the player only or no card, or have a full media card over here, depending on your preference. And after this, you can simply do the same process, add it to your product description, and you will be able to play a video in your product page. And that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.